Welcome back to your never scheduled ghetto amateur lab equipment. So, if you have a rotovap, app, which is probably not the leading thing I should be asking, if you've ever used a water bath, you will know it's a bit annoying sometimes, especially because, you have to set it on a hot plate, you have to wait for it to heat up, and you have to fiddle with the heating. Or an oil bath, which is equally annoying. There's this thing. It's called a Presto kitchen kettle. I don't know why it's a kettle. This doesn't looks like a pot to me, but whatever, stupid terminology. Anyways, this thing is like $50 new, but you can get it for like $20 on eBay, and probably even cheaper at like secondhand stores. But anyways, you might recognize this from Doug's Labs videos. He calls it a steam bath. That's what this thing is. He just has like a glass plate on top of it, and voila, steam bath. But this thing can be used for more than that. It's advertised as, for deep frying things. I have no idea what this is called. This is a colander. I don't know. It's a basket thing. Yeah, frying basket. So you can actually fill this with oil. It's meant for that. And you can set a temperature on here. I don't know how accurate this is, though. It is a thermostat, which is pretty cool for a product this cheap, I guess. But yeah, you can use it as an oil bath. And because this is aluminum, and also the heater is radially, the center is free, you can just sit this on top of a stirrer and use it as an oil bath and stir your reaction with a stir bar still. So that's pretty neat. This is supposed to be some kind of, resistant coating, but I boiled like sodium carbonate solution in it and it flaked off, so I'm not sure what it is. It's said to be ceramic, but I don't think ceramic should be that bad. It could still be a fluoropolymer, but I don't think fluoropolymer should dissolve in sodium carbonate solution. Whatever, it doesn't matter. This thing's aluminum, and, it's a shame that I can't boil chemicals in it. I'd like to evaporate down large amounts of aqueous solution, but, whatever. But yeah, if you want to use a steam bath, you will have to plug into a power controller, because temperature is not power. This sets a temperature. It does not care about how fast it's boiling. For that, you need a power controller, which you can see and observe. It will start boiling vigorously now, once I turn the power on. And in fact, if you look at Doug's Labs videos, when he's messing around with the steam bath, he does actually go and mess with a controller that's actually plugged in onto the cord, because again, this is a temperature controller. Also, look at this magnetic cord. That is amazing for a product this cheap. But yeah, you can also put this in a dishwasher. Aside from it being, good lab equipment, it honestly seems like a cool product to have in your kitchen. Like, it's just convenient, I would imagine. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, I mean, I can see lots of applications for this. Obviously, I've been using it, and it would probably be a good idea to replace this old thing, because if you touch that while it's heating, it will zap you. But yeah, there you go, Presto Kitchen Kettle. It's a cool product, and I don't know, man.